This 2024 Newmar Bay Star 3423 is a Class A RV. It is located in Winter Garden, FL 34787 and is offered for sale by Independence RV Sales. This new Newmar is 34 feet 11 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, a Townsend Decor, Amaretto Maple Glazed Cabinetry interior, sleeps 4, self-contained, Colorado Detector, smoke detector, TV antenna, leveling jacks, auxiliary battery, skylight, refrigerator, LP detector, TV, and 75 gallons fresh water capacity. The floorplan layout of this Class A features bunk over cab, front dinette, front entertainment, front living area, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom, rear entertainment. This 2024 Newmar Bay Star 3423 is built on a Ford F-53 26000 chassis and is powered by a 7.3-liter V8 8350 HP engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Independence RV Sales, visit RVUSA.com.